Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send and sign documents with data verification in Docusign Esignature. This is incredibly useful when you need to collect legally binding signatures on contracts, agreements, or any important documents while ensuring all the necessary information is captured accurately. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your Docusign account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your document signing needs. Once you're logged in, look at the top toolbar of your screen. Here you'll find several options for navigating through Docusign's features. Click on Agreement. This section is specifically designed for creating, sending, and managing documents that require signatures, making it the perfect starting point for our task. After clicking Agreement, your attention should shift to the upper left panel of the screen. You'll see an option that says Start Now. Go ahead and click on this button. This initiates the process of preparing a new document for signature, allowing you to upload and configure everything you need. Next, you'll be prompted to choose where your document is coming from. Click on Upload, and from the options that appear, select Desktop. This tells Docusign that the file you want to send is stored locally on your computer rather than in cloud storage or other locations. A file browser window will now open on your screen. Navigate through your folders to locate the specific file you want to upload for signing. Once you've found it, select the file and click Open. The document will begin uploading to Docusign's platform. Depending on the file size, this might take a moment, so be patient while the system processes it. After the upload completes, you'll need to provide information about the recipient who will be signing this document. In the text field provided, enter the recipient's name. This ensures that the document is clearly addressed to the correct person and helps maintain organization in your records. Below the name field, you'll see a space to enter the recipient's email address. Type in their email carefully, as this is where Docusign will send the document for their review and signature. Double check that the email is correct to avoid any delivery issues. Now you'll want to add some context to your request. In the subject field, enter a clear subject line that explains what the document is about. Below that, there's a message field where you can type any additional instructions or context for the recipient. This helps them understand what they're signing and why it's important. Once you've filled in all the recipient details in your message, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Next. This advances you to the document preparation stage, where you'll add the signature fields and other required elements. You'll now see your document displayed with a left sidebar containing various field options. In this sidebar, locate the signature field. Click and drag it to the appropriate location on your document where you need the recipient to sign. Repeat this process with the initial field, placing it wherever an initial is required. Finally, drag the date signed field to the spot where you want the signing date to be captured. These fields create interactive areas that the recipient will fill in when they receive the document. After you've positioned all the necessary fields exactly where they need to be, look to the bottom right corner one more time. Click Send. This action will transmit the document to your recipient's email address, triggering the signing process and completing your setup. And there you have it. You've successfully prepared and sent a document for signature using Docusign Esignature, with all the necessary data verification fields in place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.